In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Webador. First of all, head over to your browser and log into your Webador account. Once you are inside your dashboard, before contacting support, make sure your website is opened in a new tab. If it is not published yet, make sure you open the preview version of your website instead. Once that is done, go back to your Webador dashboard and click on the Help option located at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you will see a search bar where you can look up answers to common or basic questions. Many issues can be resolved immediately by searching here, so it is always a good idea to try this first. If your issue is more complex and you need to speak with a real person, click on the chatbot icon located at the lower right-hand corner of your screen. In the chat window, type "Connect me with a human agent." After this, Webador will guide you through a short form consisting of 4 steps. First, enter your name and click Next. Then enter your email address and click Next again. After that, you will be asked for your website URL. Copy the URL from the website tab you opened earlier, paste it here, and click Next. Finally, enter a short but clear description of the problem you are facing and submit the form. Once submitted, your request will be forwarded to the Webador support team, and they usually contact you within 2 business days. If several days have passed and you still have not received a response, you can use an alternative method. Simply search for Contact Webador and click on the first non-sponsored link from their official website. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and under the Contact Us section, click on Send us a message. On this page, the language may appear glitchy sometimes, but remember the layout. The first box is for your email address, the second box is for the title of your issue, the third box is for your website URL, and the fourth box is for a detailed description of your problem. You can also attach screenshots to explain your issue more clearly. Once everything is filled out, click on Submit, and the report will be sent to Webador's team, who will reach out to help you. And this is how you can contact Webador.